Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel. Kalonzo Stephen Musyoka is likely to walk out of the united opposition should he miss to be declared opposition flag bearer. I want to pose a question, ladies and gentlemen. Among the opposition principals, I narrow down to three individuals in the opposition. We have Rigathi Gachagua, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, and Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Who among these three individuals should be the opposition's flag bearer? Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, Fred Okengo Matiang'i, and Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua. Sorry guys, niko na homa. So I want to read your thoughts in the comment section. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka is likely to walk out of united opposition should he miss to be opposition's flag bearer. I want to analyze circumstances under which Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka is likely to walk out, because from all indications, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka might go all the way to the 2027 polls alone. Why? If this is a topic you are interested in, ladies and gentlemen, then stay in this video till the end and kindly give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we post a new video. My name is AC Born. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go further in this topic, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you a short background information about Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka is one of the senior-most politicians in this nation. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ameserve in various governments from alianza ya Moi, Kibaki mpaka sasa akaenda opposition when Uhuru Ruto government iliingia in power in 2013. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka has vied for presidency once in 2007. So Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka alipita katikati, and that is how he was appointed as a vice president to Mheshimiwa Mzee Mwai Kibaki. So Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka has ever served as the, is it 10th? Yes, vice president. In fact, the last vice president of the Republic of Kenya, 2007 to 2012. So Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka in 2013 campaigned with Raila Amolo Odinga, Raila Amolo Odinga being the presidential candidate, and Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka wanasema ya kwamba he swallowed his ambitions and he supported Raila Amolo Odinga, and he was the running mate to Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila Amolo Odinga Kalonzo ticket didn't win 2013 election, so they were to be in opposition. In 2017, the same thing repeated itself. Kalonzo Musyoka as a running mate to Raila Amolo Odinga. And the same happened. They never won 2017 election. So opposition again. 2022, Kalonzo Stephen Musyoka swallowed his ambitions even further. In fact, he was not even a running mate to Raila Amolo Odinga. In fact, he accepted to be, was he going to be prime minister or something like that? Yeah, you remember Martha Wangari Karua was the running mate to Raila Amolo Odinga in 2022. The same thing, they were never declared. Okay, I said they never won based on the results in IEBC. So they lost. According to the IEBC, it is disputable, because there are those who think that indeed Raila Amolo Odinga won 2022 election, 2017 election, even 2007 election, but the result from the electoral commission was otherwise. That is why I'm saying these guys lost, according to those who are mandated to tell us the results. So Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, as at the time of making this video, Raila Amolo Odinga last year, 2024, joined his brother William Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, under the umbrella of broad-based government. That left Kalonzo Musyoka alone in opposition. They had to talk, and with the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua, Geoffrey, they had to form a group referred to as United Opposition. They impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, and now Fred Okengo Matiang'i in the team. Now, Kalonzo Musyoka, according to the opinion polls, some polls place Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ahead among other opposition principals. Some polls says Fred Okengo Matiang'i is ahead among the opposition principals. Yet, there are some polls which places Rigathi Gachagua at the top. So the question is, who among the three principals is likely to be chosen or is likely to be United Opposition's presidential candidate to unseat Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the incumbent? That is why I raised this question. Who do you think? Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, Fred Okengo Matiang'i, Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua. Now, there is this topic which has sparked a lot of reaction among Kenyans. Kalonzo Stephen Musyoka has in several occasions indicated that he is going to walk out of the United Opposition should he miss to be the opposition's presidential candidate. And I took my time to look why should he do that, and I came up with the following reasons. Number one, Kalonzo Musyoka, as I said, is one of the senior most politicians in Kenya. So, among the opposition principals, Kalonzo feels that, I'm senior than you. I can't imagine me supporting a junior to be probably a running mate of a junior. Because, see it this way. Suppose Matiang'i is the preferred presidential candidate. So, should Kalonzo Musyoka really deputize Fred Okengo Matiang'i? Kalonzo feels like, this is humiliation. Number two, entitlement. Kalonzo feels he has ever vied for president. So, among the three, it is Kalonzo who has ever attempted to vie for presidency. I told you in 2007. Two, Kalonzo Musyoka feels that he has sacrificed more for this country. He has swallowed his ambitions to become president more than twice, in fact 3 years, 2013, 2017 and 2022. He feels that now it is his time to be president of Kenya. And how will that affect 2027 election? I'm going to make a separate video, but in a summary form, should Kalonzo walk out of opposition, that means opposition will not be united. That means even Fred Okengo Matiang'i and Rigathi Gachagua likely to diverge. Division in opposition, like I said, is good for the one William Samoei Ruto. United opposition is good for these guys. So, should Kalonzo Musyoka move out of opposition, that is the end of the game. That will give Dr. William Samoei Ruto a throughway, a very smooth way to land in 2027. And that is how he's going to be re-elected to serve his second term. So, the best thing for opposition right now is not who is going to be the opposition's flag bearer. The best strategy should be how, because their main reason why they are going to be on the ballot is to make William Samoei Ruto a one-term president. Their main agenda is to make William Samoei Ruto a one-term president. In fact, wamesema mara si moja kwamba their main focus now is to make William Samoei Ruto one-term president, is to unseat William Samoei Ruto. Then after that, they will figure out. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? If you have a divergent views, kindly let me know in the comment section. Give this particular video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we post a new video. See you in the next video. My name is AC Born.